area, it's 15 seconds to come to this room, okay? As we say, it's right here. This is a safe room for you, okay? This is the closest shelter to your class. You have more than enough time. 15 seconds is enough time over here, okay? Just for your own information, this room is the campus manager's room, okay? We are working from this room, so you can just look for us, all right? Yeah, let's... יאללה guys, רק צבע אדום, צבע אדום, צבע אדום, יאללה, יאללה, יאללה. Maybe it will make too much, יאללה. So, if you're not here, you don't know, okay? So, this area is what I told you, here. If you want to join the sun, okay?
No.
And here is our limitation for the campus. I want you to understand that all the area that you see, it's ours. But for now, okay, until we will know for sure that there's no need to run to the shelter, okay? Over here, okay? So this is another shelter, and here it's another shelter, okay? So if you are in this area, it will be the safest for you to reach those two shelters, okay? Ashley,
yung bakla. Taga-Abigdor sila eh. Malaki sa kanila kasi mansion yung kanila, sa amin apartment lang. Alam mo yung pipitsuging apartment, ganun lang.